Ever forget what to buy when you're shopping? Let's solve that with a simple Python program to manage your shopping list. Hi, today we're building a beginner-friendly Python program in under 5 minutes. All you need is Python installed and your thinking cap on. First, we'll create an empty shopping list to store our items. In Python, we use square brackets for lists. Let's code. When we run this, we see our empty list printed on the screen. Simple, right? Next, we'll add items to our shopping list using the append method. It's like adding items to a bag. Each time we use append, the item gets added to the list. Let's see the output. What if you've already bought an item? No problem. Use the remove method to take it out. Let's run this. You can see milk is removed, leaving only eggs in the list. Finally, let's print our shopping list neatly using a loop. A for loop will go through each item and display it one by one. Here's the output. This loop ensures your list looks clean and professional. And there you have it. In just a few steps, we created a shopping list manager in Python. Try adding features like quantities or prices. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button and subscribe for more Python tutorials. See you next time.